Hello, I'm in Aruba right now. Aruba is one of the most beautiful tourist countries in the world. Right now, today we come to look at this 100 kilowatt on-grid solar system, which installed in last year. This 100 kilowatt solar system used total 180 pieces of 560 watt solar panels, and we used total three pieces of US standard 36 kilowatt on-grid inverter. Each inverter AC output is 3-phase, 220 voltage. And you can see behind these 3 pieces of the on-grid inverter, there is also AC combiner box is over here. This AC combiner box is also manufactured by our Nanku, and we provide the whole solar systems from design, material, offer, and construction guidance. For this 100 kilowatt solar system, it can generate total 500 kilowatts hour power every day, and it can help to save $200 electricity bill every day. And client can return the investment within 2 years. So it is a really very good investment here. If you have a more solar request, please feel free to contact our Nangu. Thank you.